We look at three-step approach for the placement. One is that actually where we make a representation to the companies for accreditation, where we identify the various companies that normally recruits from engineering institutes, and we make a case study. We go and approach the company first, get a requirement from them, what kind of engineering students or what kind of people that they require. Based on that, by taking their inputs, their feedbacks, we come and circulate this information to the students starting from the first semester onwards. And we kind of identify their requirements and do a mapping between where our student stands and what is the industry requirement. And based on that, actually, we start preparing from them both in three areas. That is one technical competency area, functional competency area, and professional competency area. Yeah, technical competency, we look at various aspects related to their core subjects, which is very much required to prepare for the interview sessions actually whenever they appear. Professional competency, we look at their soft skill, their personality development, their various aspect of personal growth in terms of how they need to behave at corporates when they start working, how do they need to behave with the peer groups, how they need to behave when they appear for interviews, and various aspect of personal development skills. Well, we did pretty well in terms of what was there last year. With the recession actually hitting the industry, and now what we right now with us actually you have companies like ADP, Oracle, Wipro Technologies, who have accredited us for 10 years. In fact, we are now, they have given a letter to us actually as a preferred and trusted academic partner. So as per this agreement, Wipro would be recruiting our students not only this year, but of course 10 years right now, from down the line also they can come on recruiting. We have an agreement in place with L&T Infotech, okay, where they normally train our students as well as they hire students from us. Recruitment wise, we have almost achieved around 50 to 60% of the students are placed. We are expecting already 23 companies are over. We are expecting at least 18 to 20 more companies to come in the next 4-5 months time. So total expectation would be around 70 to 80% of the placement. Well, again, as I told, we are starting off with, we are focusing more on accreditation, where we want a long-term association with the companies. And in line with that, actually, we have started approaching TCS. TCS is almost through, where we would have a accreditation from them, again, in line with what Wipro has done to us. Our course of action is that, we would, there are few set of companies which are already identified, which have already identified us, and they would continue with us as a partner. And few set of new companies actually which are planning to come to Odisha, but we do not have a tie-up with. We have started working with them so that we can start looking at an opportunity. Whenever they come to Odisha, they would be looking at Synergy as a preferred institute. That's one part, the part of the plan that we have, in fact. First and foremost, I think actually constant feedback that we receive from corporates actually, where they say that students are pretty good in terms of their technical skills. But when it comes to putting it across to the corporates, when it comes to interview boards, they lack the expertise to convince the person who is listening to them. And that's where I think actually guys like Purple Leaf and various other educational partners could play a major role in terms of improving the personality trait of the students. That is one area. Say, listen, end of the day, bringing a company is one thing, and but ensuring the student perform to the expectation of the company is another thing. So we are ready now for technical aspect, but I think soft skill and companies promotion of college in front of companies is very critical. We need to promote the college properly to the company, and again partners like Purple Leaf or Aspiring Minds and various other partners could play a critical role in representing our institute on our behalf to the corporate, so the corporate are aware of what Synergy is, where they stand, and with the kind of credentials that we have, National Board Accredited College, we are also one of the few institute in the state to be accredited by Institute of Engineers, one of the oldest in the state, and over the years, you find our student performance has been exceptional in terms of their academic records. So I think that everything is in place, and there are few things which we need to fill in the gaps and start working on.